Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to send message with a special effect emanation on iPhone if you're using the iMessage. Let me show you how. So first you're going to write here I love you or anything message, and then you're going to press here error, and then you're going to choose the screen and see it's coming, and then it's scrolling, coming this one or this option for happy birthday, and this one regulation, and this one I love you. This is the one I was looking for, or this one for disco, or this is fireworks, the other one. That's all at the moment, and I'm gonna choose this one, send, and then it's coming here. That's all for today. See you for next video.